Google is creating a car with no steering wheel and pedals. Co-founder of the technology titan Sergey Brin told a Southern California tech conference that the company will build 100 prototype cars that drive themselves using computers, and, as a result, do not require accelerator pedals or brake and wheel. In its place, there are only go and stop buttons. An incorporation of computing power and sensors takes the driving from the. Brin said that the car could make improvements to people's lives by revolutionizing movement. To date, Google has driven many miles on public roads with Toyota Priuses and Lexus SUVs equipped with a special gear. This prototype is the first the company has created for itself. The car will be on sale, and Google is not likely to go very much into car production. In a blog post, Google highlighted working along with other companies,